How can I set checked for a checkbox with jQuery? I'd like to do something like this to tick a checkbox using jQuery. My checkbox checked, true, or my checkbox selected, true. Does such a thing exist? Modern jQuery. Use prop. My checkbox prop checked, true. My checkbox prop checked, false. DOM API. If you're working with just one element, you can always just access the underlying HTML input element and modify its checked property. The benefit to using the prop and attr methods instead of this is that they will operate on all matched elements. jQuery 1.5x and below. The prop method is not available, so you need to use attr. Note that this is the approach used by jQuery's unit tests prior to version 1.6 and is preferable to using my checkbox remove attr checked, since the latter will, if the box was initially checked, change the behavior of a call to reset on any form that contains it, a subtle but probably unwelcome behavior change. For more context, some incomplete discussion of the changes to the handling of the checked attribute property in the transition from 1.5x to 1.6 can be found in the version 1.6 release notes and the attributes versus properties section of the prop documentation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.